In this video, let me show you how to transfer money from Metrobank account to GCash. First, open your Metrobank app in your phone, enter your email and password to log in. Just click the Send Money at the bottom of the screen. Now click to any account, enter your desired amount, and select your recipient. Next, choose the unenrolled account and choose individual. After that, in bank, type GCash and click on it. Next, just enter the credentials or personal info. Now choose for the transfer service and click immediate and schedule. Also choose the purpose and click next. After that, click confirm. Wait for the process, enter your passcode and click next. Wait for the transactions and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.